Afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Just barely a week from now, we will be celebrating the holy season of Lent with the celebration of Ash Wednesday to mark its beginning. Maliban po sa ating pong mga kinaugalian na puntahan ng tao para manalangin ang madaming mga simbahan, ang panahon pong ito ay isang magandang pagkakataon kung saan madami din po ang kukuha ng panahon para ikumpisal ang kanilang mga kasalanan. As the nature of this season suggests, to repent and believe in the gospel. We will see and witness those people queuing up for confession during this most holy season. For many times, my dear brothers and sisters, in today's gospel, Jesus would point out certain body parts by first saying, if this certain part causes you to sin, and ends by either saying with the words, pluck it out or cut it off. Not that Jesus would want us to be disfigured when we die, but He knows and teaches us that hopefully we know where sin can begin, and hopefully we also know how to cut sin off in our life. Baka alam lang natin paano nagsisimula ang kasalanan, pero hindi natin ginugustong tabasan o tapusin ito sa ating buhay. Marahil po alam natin ang pinanggagalingan ng mga kasamaan at kamalian natin. Little chismis, little murmurs, little kupit, little smack, little snubbing, etc. and etc. can be some ways how sin and wrongdoings can rise and begin. But can we at least recall and know how to cut them off? Kapag nasa kwentuhang masama na ang mapupuntahan, dumistansya. Kapag nag-iisa sa kwarto, maglakad at lumabas para malayo sa tukso. Kapag umiinit na ang ulo, breathe in and breathe out. Take in something that will calm you and keep you at peace. Many more things on how we can see and know that sin is rising, and know for ourselves how we can go out of that situation and eventually cut those things off. If we know how sin can rise, let us doubly know and let us be doubly aware how to cut sin down. It is only to God and to every experience of goodness that we shall not be disconnected. But to what causes harm, to what causes sin, to what causes madness in our life, know where it comes from, know how to cut it off, and most of all, hold only to God, where sin has no room, where blessedness is always the life, and where happiness is always found.